Hello everyone, I'm Jason with MainStreetEnglish.com, here with your Word of the Day video. In this video, let's talk about and use the noun area. Area. Area is a fairly common noun and it does have multiple uses and definitions. But in this Word of the Day video, we are going to focus on the following definition: a range of subjects or studies, a field, a discipline. Let's practice using area with this definition in a few sentences. Another area of expertise is the repair of combustion chambers used in both aviation and industrial gas turbines. Search engines are now developing special search formulas for specific areas of knowledge, like health. Researchers working in many different areas, from psychology to physics, will be able to use the new type of plastic. Look for opportunities to use the noun area in your everyday English usage. I'm Jason with MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see notifications of new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you next time.